Good afternoon. Welcome. This is Waec Literature in English Past Question Year 2019. Question number 31. So we are to read these expressions and use it to answer question number 31 to 35. And these expressions were coined out from a text titled Othello, written by William Shakespeare. And this expressions is a quotation from the text from its Act 1, Scene 3, lines 200 to 207, which says, when remedies are past griefs are end by seeing the worst, which late on hope depends, to more a mischief that is past and gone is above next way to draw new mischief on. What cannot be preserved when fortune takes? Patience are injury a mockery makes. The rob that smites steal something from the thief. The robs himself that spends a bootless grief. So the question number 31 here says the speaker is dash. That is, who is the speaker? The A. Gratiano, B. Dunk, C. B. Dunk, C. Nodovico, D. Mutano. The correct option here is B. The Dunk. So the correct option here is B, which is the Dunk. The Dunk make this expression, and of course the Dunk happen to be the chief of the Venice. Remember that Venice is a city, or one of the ancient city in Italy in those days. So he happened to be the leader, and he accommodates Brantanio to himself and Desmond as well. Then in fact, he was the Duke happened to be the person who encouraged Othello to go into the more war at that time. Then is the trainer of the Othello himself and the chief of the Venice itself. So the correct option here is option B. Thank you and God bless you, and ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.